A common question we are often asked is, what is the difference between a one-piece and an applied panel badge? While the two badge types look similar from the front, the difference is how they're constructed. Like the name implies, one-piece badges are made of one single die-struck part. They are generally going to be lighter in weight and allow for very intricate sculptured detailing. Being one piece makes them very sturdy, and being lighter weight makes them easy to wear on a uniform shirt or carry in a wallet. One limitation to a one-piece badge, though, is that the panels cannot be modified. Applied panel badges, also known as layered badges, are made of a base with panels soldered on top. If you look from the side, you can see how the panels are actually layered on top of the base. Applied panel badges will be heavier, but they offer one big advantage because the panels can be mixed and matched to create many different configurations. We frequently will recommend this type of badge when a department likes a particular shape, but cannot find a one-piece design that will fit their lettering nicely. Now, you might wonder which type of construction is better. The answer is going to be based on personal preference and your specific needs. Our general recommendation is to focus more on design than on construction. Look through all of our designs and find one that meets your needs for shape and lettering layout. Focus more on the look of the badge than how it's constructed. If you require assistance determining the best badge for your needs, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our dedicated team is here to guide you in finding the ideal badge. Additionally, you can learn more about this topic in our Learning Center article.